Hi, today is July 11th at Kookaburra Bird Shop, and we got some new babies in here. We have some little green cheek conures. Got lots of new babies. We got 20 new babies in yesterday. And let's see who else we have. Ooh, we don't see these very much. This is called a mealy Amazon. They're pretty rare. You don't see them. They're one of the largest Amazons. Oh my goodness. Look at that cute little baby face. He is so cute. We have a little Goffin's cockatoo. What do you do, little Goffins? You say hi to the camera? Hi, camera. Oh, it's a little cockatoo. He's a little cockatoo. Alrighty. Who else do we have in here? Oh my goodness. We have a little pineapple green cheek conure and a blue Quaker and a turquoise green cheek conure. And we got some baby Indian ringneck parakeets. These are blue ones. And oh my goodness, what do you think this is? It's a rubber chicken. Look at the delivered chicken. He's taking a nap. Rubber chicken. This is a green wing macaw. He's a cutie patootie. We have some little green Quakers. I've had a hard time getting cockatiels this year. If you're looking for something good to start with, a Quaker or a green cheek's a good place to start. And since the price of cockatiels have gone up so much recently, there's not a whole lot of price difference. And you can get yourself a little parrot that can talk. These guys are great with children. I know. Let me see who else we have. And oh my goodness, some baby African grays. I don't expect these guys will be here very long. We're calling all the people on our wait list today. If you want one of these guys, I would put a deposit on them quickly. And remember Miranda, the world's friendliest macaw. We have a little scarlet macaw baby. Look how gorgeous are you. Look at all your colors. Oh, look, the little grays decided they want to say something. Little gray baby noises. Little gray babies. What are you saying? And we also have a Mexican red-headed parrot. He's taking a nap. Hey, little baby. Hey, little baby. He's just taking a nap. Those are our babies. We probably won't have many more this year. Hasn't been that great of a breeding season. If you'd like to come see them, they'll be available starting July 15th for visitation. If you have any questions, give us a call. Bye.